Hope you all are doing great. Thasin here. Today I'm here to talk about email scrapping. So for you guys, you're planning to open up a new business, or else you want to work in freelancing and you want to earn, or else you want some data regarding emails, and so you want to communicate with set of people, so that you need email. So for all this, how to get set of email just instant without any spending much time in front of screen. Here are few steps which we can follow, and definitely we can scrap emails just in a fraction of a second. And I'm going to use my mobile phone, not PC, not my system, nothing. Just using your mobile you can do email scrapping.
Google Chrome, and here you have to type, for example, site. You want to search for search from LinkedIn. So you want to search from linkedin.com. So this will be your site. From linkedin.com you want doctor's numbers, actually, that you have to put it in your inverted comma. So doctor, let me put in inverted comma, space, and I want doctors from Delhi. Okay, let me put it in the inverted bracket, again space. I want only @gmail.com IDs, @gmail.com. So this is my search string. So if you want to search for restaurant, instead of doctor you can write restaurant. If you want a location, New York, Bombay, or wherever you want, you can type, and @gmail.com, whichever the email you want, you can just type. So click on search. So here are so many searches are here, so you can see. So for more searches, what we can do is we just go and click on desktop site. So here you can see I have a list of, select all and do copy. Then all we have to do is go to new tab, and in the new tab just type email extractor. So here you can see email extractor online tool for extracting any email address. Just click on it. So this is the one where you can do, and here I'm going to just paste that, and I'm going to click on here extract email. So here you can see a list of emails are here. Superb it is. So if you want to send any messages to all these emails, or you want to work as a freelancer, just this is the method how we can. Just what we can do is select all, and we have to copy it, and then wherever we want, this is my keep notes. So here I am going to paste. See, here I have got all those email IDs. So easy it is. So I can send whatever I want, and even if I want to work as a freelancer, then I can. And one more email extractor, for example, let me show you. Let me open a new tab. You can even have light 14. Just click on this light 14 email extractor. So here you can see email extractor 1.4. Just all you have to do is so just again go to the same page, and just whatever you copied, select all and copy, and just come back to that just come back to the same page where we want to. This is the one method which I showed you. The one more method is light 1.4 email extractor. So here all you have to do is paste here, and here you can see extract at the bottom. Just click on extract. So here you can see once you click on extract, all the emails has been got extracted, and it just shows actually the count at the same times. Here 17 email IDs. So now what we can do is just click on select all, and then just copy it, and you can take and paste it in your note. See, here we can paste. And one more thing I want to show you. See, here are so many what is that called, email IDs, and this may also have a duplicate copy of same email IDs. So if you want to remove the duplicate, at the same way, if you use the email extractor, it will also remove the duplicate email IDs. So it's a very nice application for email extracting.
Hope you all would have enjoyed my video and got what is email scrapping. Simple learning, decent earning. At the same time, if you want to explore and you want to open up your new business, you want more of email IDs, just have this. Thank you so much for listening. If you want more of my videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click on bell icon. Share with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.